will you come to the car, please? 50 Corrigan. Please to the car, please. Event 158, 15-year-old ADCT final. Then Archiblad and his day glow colours coming out of the top corner there with Troy Coarser right behind him. Running in second place. Fairly hard on 2-2-1 in the next bike through at 7:26, no score in fourth place. Patricia Corrigan, then Archiblad on 2-2-6, just ahead of Troy Coarser on 49 with Tony Hyde, 2-2-1. Very close behind him into the right-hander. Get a bite down on that top corner at the moment. Out of the top corner they come and run down along the back side, around the front straight. We've got Ben Archiblad, Troy Coarser and Tony Hyde. Jamie Blum on 444 as this one through with Matthew Wall right behind him and 1-3 over Ryan Steele. Down past the starting shoot again. Ben Archiblad putting power to the ground, slides back over the backstage, really putting a big effort into this race. Troy Coarser hard on the brake, closes together very slightly. So we had a fall from Andrew McCulloch on 7-1-8. Okay, blue flag time now for 2-3-6. Leads the racing through, so one final lap. Troy Coarser, 49, trying the inside line here. Ben Archiblad went very wide at the entry into that corner there. Big speedway sliding goes through, goes off the edge of the track there and gives away two positions. What a shame. Ben Archiblad back down into third position now. Troy Coarser takes maximum advantage of that run. Tony Hyde putting a lot of pressure on Troy Coarser. They head into the top S's. Through the right-hander, Troy Coarser, Tony Hyde, trying it out to first and second place. Ben Archiblad trying to close the gap. He's over. Ben Archiblad down. Gives away another positional 3. What a shame. Tremendous pressure there by Ben Archiblad. 49, Troy Coarser in first place. Tony Hyde, Jamie Blum. Well, that was a hell of a shame there by Ben. He's obviously putting himself under a tremendous amount of pressure and just happened to hook the front wheel in the wrong spot in a couple of places. Well, that little lapse in concentration and pays the penalty for it. Here he comes now. Big hand to Ben Archiblad when he goes back into the pit for a valiant effort there. Tremendous exercise. Modified handlebars. Okay, a very important announcement. Your attention please. All standard bikes. That means all standard forwards and all standard P-leads.